Let's study the proper technique for providing eye care to the patient, and at last I will show you the video of this procedure. Definition: it is defined as cleaning the eye by using aseptic techniques of a small child, unconscious patient, and the patient with eye condition. What are the purposes of providing eye care? First, to clean the eye. Second, to prevent infections and complications of eyes. Third, to prepare eyes for diagnostic procedures. And fourth, to relieve irritation and discharge from eyes. Now, points to remember while providing eye care. First, use separate swab for each stroke. Second, clean the eye from inner to outer canthus. Third, if one eye is infected, then clean the non-infected eye first. Articles to be used in this procedure are a tray containing a sterile bowl containing swabs soaked in normal saline solution. Second, Macintosh and towel, face towel or dry clean swabs, kidney tray and paper bag, sterile pad and bandage if needed, and a pair of clean gloves only if needed, like in case of patient is suffering from any kind of infection. Procedure of eye care. First, make the patient lie on bed or assume sitting position with head extended or tilted towards affected side. Second, remove all pillows and place Macintosh with towel under the patient's head. Third, stand at the head end or dominant side to clean the eyes. Fourth, take one swab each in both hands, and while holding the head from both sides with 3 fingers, clean eyes one stroke from outer to inner canthus. But if there is infection in any of the eye, then clean the non-infected side first. Reason: cleaning the infected eye first can transfer bacteria, viruses, or other pathogens to non-infected eye, causing infection. Repeat the same step twice and more as needed. Wipe the patient's face with face towel and wipe off extra spillage from cheeks. If patient is unconscious, administer prescribed lubricant and patch the eye with sterile eye pad to prevent corneal ulcers. By holding the head side of the patient with the help of 3 fingers of each hand, clean the eye from inner to outer canthus with the help of swab dipped in normal saline solution.